Alright guys, if you live in Zone 9B like I do, we are now officially past our last frost date and can start planting our spring garden. I'm Melissa from Rooted Home and Garden, and I'm going to tell you what to get in the ground this month. The first plants we are going to talk about are the last chance plants. This is the last month to get them in the ground to have them ready for harvest before the summer heat makes them bolt. Your leafy greens, your spinach, your butterhead lettuce, your Swiss chard, if you wait until April, they're going to go to seed before you get a salad. Your peas, sugar snap and shelling peas, they need time to climb now so they can fruit before the valley heat fries the blooms. Your brassicas, that's your broccoli and cauliflower. Make sure it starts and not seed. Unfortunately, it's too late for that. This is your final warning for these plants. Now for the fun stuff. The soil is finally hitting that 60-degree mark. Tomatoes and peppers. If you're wanting to start your seeds indoors, unfortunately you're behind. But you can direct sow them into the ground starting late March once the soil is warm. Here's a good tip. For planting this early, use a cloche to keep the seeds cozy and warm. Your root crops. March is prime time for carrots, beets, radishes, and potatoes. Direct sow these every 2 weeks for a continued harvest. Beans and corn. Wait until the very end of March for these. They hate cold feet. Now for the pollinators. Sow these seeds now for an explosion of color in May. Zinnias and sunflowers love our heat, so get those started. And it's also a last call for sweet peas. If you want that beautiful fragrant flower, then get those seeds in the ground now. Our Central Valley transition is fast, so don't wait. Let's get these things planted this week.